gotta be Unger. 9 right on the top side down that last straightaway. Got Cole on that tippy spot. Unger and Cole are moving on. At a 154. Turning the page, I got 16 experts. 155 is the moto number. Second round, staging them up. Kings, Ananga, Camacho, Fontenot, Renegar, Bartholomew, and Sabatini. Fortress Colors running the show right there. Got to be the Palatka player. Coming back at me right there, King. 35 right on the top side. Got 14 right of the Braveheart. King, Zananga, Camacho, Renegar, Marlowe, Gomez, Mahal, Palmer. 16X on the track, get down that front straightaway, ready to roll. Yeah. Second straightaway,
Come on.
action.
That was real slow.
In and out of turn number 3, coming back at me, getting it done on the one. 45 right on the top side. Got to be Javon King. King, the Gold Cup 3 right.